Google Pixel users, get ready because your phone might just feel brand new very soon. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to place for tech news. A mysterious November update is reportedly on the way, which offers fixes, performance boosts, and battery improvements that can make your device run smoother than ever. While Google hasn't officially confirmed anything yet, Verizon accidentally spilled the beans before quickly taking the post down, but thankfully, Droid Life caught it in time. This update isn't picky, and it'll cover every Pixel from the 7A onward, and it's aimed at charging, battery life, and overall stability. Some annoying bugs are getting out, including issues that could block apps from loading or make webcam mode misbehave when connected to other devices. Even older Pixel models aren't being left behind. They'll get improved system stability and stop performance slowdowns that frustrated some users. Camera lovers might get a sweet bonus too. The Pixel 9 and Pixel 10 series are set to finally see a fix for the weird rainbowy colors that sometimes appear on ultra-wide and telephoto shots. No flashy new features here yet, but smoother performance and reliable cameras are exactly what every Pixel owner wants right now. And don't worry, there could still be surprises coming your way. Rumors hint to an upcoming Pixel feature drop with new theme packs, customization tools, and other goodies that could spice up your phone's look. Until Google makes it official, take this update lightly. But if Verizon's leaked changelog is right, your Pixel is about to get a serious glow up. It's the refresh your Pixel's been waiting for. For more details, subscribe to GadInsider and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any update.